Students, once again welcome you all in my YouTube channel Pacific Chemistry Classes. Thanks for your love. You are watching my videos and your subscriptions. Students, as I am a lecturer in Vijayanagar College, Hospet, Karnataka. So today there was an occasion of farewell for our MSc final year students. So I compiled a poem on chemistry and how our life and the chemistry relates with each other, how we can see the up and down in our life and how we can relate it with the chemistry. So I tried to compile it with the form of a poem. So I hope you all will like it. आज हम पढ़ाई नहीं करते हैं कुछ थोड़ा सा because I have a hobby to write the poem. So I tried to give some ink to my chemistry also. So I hope you will love it.
Full of chemistry. We entered as a reactant and leaving as a product. So many transition states, many excited states, many drag back to the ground state. Somehow we get the activation energy. Either by heat, light, or some catalyst may help. We again jump to the excited state. Always fly as an electron atom in the free state. We fly as a free electron in the state. But single electron very unstable. To get stable, we form bonds. Either covalent, coordinate, or ionic. The bond of friendship, the bond of love and care, the bond of brotherhood, sisterhood, senior, junior really brings stability to us. We all are like atoms. Forms the molecule, undergo polymerizations and becomes very applicable, charitable, helping, useful. And of course, chemistry all around. More the overlapping, more stronger the bond. Try to form the sigma bond and it remains forever. Lots of radiations are absorbed by all the students. As we are teaching you all, lot the students absorb the radiations. Again they transmit and the re-emits. We study them, we analyze them, and then we get the spectra of a particular student, of a particular person. As all the atoms and the molecules have the different spectra, like the fingerprints of all the atoms are different. Just try to see good in all. And like metals are useful, as well non-metals too. As all the metals are useful, non-metals too. All the elements and the students can't be same. All the elements and the students can't be same. But every element have some special characteristics. Like diamond shines. On the other hand, coal is black. But both are the allotropes of carbon. Try to be as neutral as water. Solvent for maximum can have the different phase like solid, liquid and gas. So can have the different phase like solid, liquid, gas. As life is impossible without water. A person who is appreciated everywhere. Maintain your pH, nor be much acidic like H2SO4, not so much strong base like NaOH. Be like Lewis base, always ready to donate the electrons, not like the Lewis acid who accept always. Of course, chemistry all around. It's the essence of life. Rasayan. In Hindi, it is Rasayan. So enjoy the life with good properties, with all the good properties. Have the positive attitude. Even in the negative terminals of life. So all the very best.